and gentlemen, welcome to Cooking with Bocelli. Please put your hands together for the world-renowned tender, lover, and gourmet aficionado, Mr. Andrea Bocelli.
Good evening, my friends. I did not see you come in. Welcome to Cooking with Bocelli. It is truly a delight to be here with you during this festive holiday season. Tonight is a magical evening that will dazzle each and every one of your senses. Viva por lei de quando sai. I will begin by preparing for you my...
Please, you need to face the camera.
Please, my friend, never to speak during my show again,
Hurting me.
Yes, as I was saying, I begin by preparing for you my world-famous linguine with meatballs, followed by a vegetable medley and yummy gingerbread cookies. But first, we start things easy peasy by boiling of the water for the pasta. But I believe this calls for a song. Oh, sente mi amor, oh, sente mi amor, oh, sente mi amor, ci amada. Yes, be careful not to spill, my friend. And then we bring water to the oven like this and the stove. There we go, water is boiling. While we await, my friends, let us begin with the chopping of the vegetables. For my favorite...
You need to please face the camera.
My friend.
Yeah.
You're never to speak in my presence again. Do you know who the fuck I am? I am Andrea fucking Bocelli. My friends, I get to feel with the holiday spirit. Sometimes I get too excited. So, David, please, the vegetables. Ah, yes. Oh, I love the smell of a fresh tomato. Yes. And now, my friends, we must begin with the choppy of all the vegetables. David, please, do a whole tomato still. Okay, my friend, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. What's that, my friend? You want me to sing another song? Oh, guardati esta rete cena, guardate resta llena ce, guardate vui adole. Yes, oh, mamma mia, I forgot about the pasta. The water is boiling. You finish vegetables, my friend. The pasta. I must get, yes, the pasta. And we take the pasta and splish splash. The pasta will be ready in 2 minutes, my friends, which is just enough time for me to sing one of my favorite holiday classics. Grandma's got run over by the reindeers, walking home from my house Christmas Eve. You may think there's no such thing as Santas, but as far as me and Grandpa, we believe. Grazie. Oh, the holidays mean so much to Bocelli. Hearing the Christmas carols, seeing the sparkle of all the Christmas lights. Oh, but mamma mia, I forgot the pasta. The water is boiling, the pastas are ready, my friends. Please, we must be careful not to spill. Make our way to the sink.
What?
Be careful not to spill.
Sweet Jesus!
Oh yes, it smells sweet, no? But we come back to the pasta later. We must now start with preparations of the meatballs. David!
My hand!
The meatballs! Please. My friend, bring the meat. My friend! Please. There we are. Good. So we take the special blend of seasonings, rub it over the meat, and shape the balls. David knows a lot about handling balls, no? There we go, my friends. Oh, rubbing the soft cold meat brings back memories of little Bocelli sitting by the fireplace, while Mama and Papa would tell stories in Il
Bocelli?
Toscano.
I think I need medical attention.
David, my friend,
Man.
please, come to me.
My hand is hurting, sir.
My friend, it's true you have a bit of a sweet tooth, no?
What?
You never interrupt my holiday memories! Do you know who the fuck I am? I am great, I am magnifico, I am fucking Andrea Bocelli! You look me in my fucking eyes and you tell me you're sorry! Look me in my fucking eyes, David, tell me you're sorry!
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, holy cannoli! My friends, we are running out of time, but no need to worry. I have already prepared these special gingerbread cookies, and they are in the oven right now. David, please, my meats. Meats.
Here.
My friend, yes. Thank you, my friend. Oh, these meats were made for me by my mama since I was a little Bocelli, and I have had them for many, 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 many years. Very special to me. But to the cookies, my friends. Yes. Oh, the smell is so good. Oh, special Bocelli gingerbread cookies. Hey, look, David. This one looks like you. Please, my friend, to share with the studio audience.
No.
But we are all out of time, my friends. So until next week, it is time to